Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. So, yeah, I haven't uploaded, which is the worst timing because of the creator on the rise and all this new viewings and subscribers to my channel. So, the reason why I haven't been uploading is because my computer died on me. Yeah, my $3,000 computer that I bought 4 years ago died on me. Not impressed at all. Super upset. I had woken up and went to work out last week and went to turn on my computer and it wouldn't turn on. Made sure there was power going to it, made sure all the plugs were plugged in, everything. It died on me. So it's currently getting fixed. Hopefully it's getting fixed, or else I'm screwed. I've either got to find $3,000 and buy another crazy computer, or hopefully they can fix it and just pay a few $100. But that's why I haven't been uploading, because my computer died in the absolute worst timing, like the worst. So I'm uploading this on my phone for you guys, just so you know what's going on. My vlog channel is still up and running because I edit and upload that on my phone, but my beauty channel videos are on my computer, and my computer is dead. So yeah, gotta wait for that to get done, and then hopefully I can get some videos to you guys. I'm not sure when it will get done, if it'll be in the next week or next few weeks, but I am going crazy because it's my job, it's my life right now. Yeah. So I'm gonna upload this video on my phone and so you guys can get it. Sorry for the inconvenience of not having any videos for you guys. I really hope you guys understand that and what's going on and my situation. That's why I wanted to get this to you, so you're all not like, well, where'd she go? So if you want to follow along over on my vlog channel, go ahead, Reasons to Smile. It'll be in the end card at the end of this video if you guys want to subscribe to it and follow along until I can get some beauty videos going. But yeah, this shit sucks. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button, as well as to turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads when they happen. Thank you guys so much for watching this and sticking around to the end of this video and finding out what's going on with me and what's happening. I really hope you stick around. I'm sorry that I can't have videos for you guys right now, but yeah. Stay beautiful, guys, okay? Bye.